Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California, to my kitchen where I always love having you. So today we're going to make my Mediterranean farro with golden raisins, pistachios, grated carrot, and coconut water. Now, if you're new to farro is an ancient whole grain. It is most akin to a brown rice, but I eat this over brown rice because it is higher in fiber and it's higher in protein. So it's healthier for you. It's got a real nuttiness to it, and it's chewy and satiating, and it's super good. I really love it. This is easy. All you're going to need is an onion. The recipe will be below in the description, so no worries. Just watch the video and you can get the recipe below. You'll need onion, a grated carrot, which I did have, but Oliver ate my carrot when my back was turned, so I don't have a carrot. Chives are optional. Ground cinnamon, cumin, golden raisins, pistachios, your farro, coconut water, and a rice cooker. Now, if you don't have a rice cooker, no worries at all. You can totally just make this on the stove top, but this is so much easier. Now, I usually make a big batch of this and I store it in the fridge, and then all week long we just use it as a side and have grilled chicken or salmon. You can even add chickpeas to it if you are vegetarian and you don't want to have a protein, well, a meat or a fish protein with it. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm going to show you quickly how to make it. So let's go. Okay ladies, so my farro is finished. It just went off. It was cooking for about 40-45 minutes and I just went about my business. That's why it's so easy. So it is done. This is what it looks like, and then we're gonna add all the goodies to it. But I gotta tell you, you can smell the cinnamon, you can smell the smokiness of the cumin. It smells super good. All right, so let's finish this off. This is finished. Let me step behind here, give you a better view. And I'm just going to take it out. Get my little turquoise gloves. Take it out of the rice maker. Get this out of the way. Okay. So, we're just going to empty it into a pretty serving bowl. I made this last week for Mother's Day. My parents came up here with my sister and we had grilled chicken with this dish, and it was a real hit. They really liked it. So much so that I sent my parents home with some Tupperware full of it. All right, so there it is. And all we're gonna do is add the goodies. So I'm adding about a cup of golden raisins, and of course you can do this to taste for you. I'm adding half a cup of roasted shelled salted pistachios, and chives are optional. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chives, and then you're just going to mix it up, and you can serve it as is. And a lot of times, like I said, I make this sometimes at the beginning of the week and just put it in a Tupperware and put it in the fridge, and we just have it throughout the week. Add a cup here. Now again, for a lady's portion, as my husband would call it, a lady's portion is about a half a cup serving. Again, it is a carb, and it does have a lot of good protein and fiber in it. And of course, the nuts offer a good fat, but one serving size is a half a cup. All right. So I just make it like that, and then I add just a little prettiness to it, a couple chives on the top, And that is the dish. Super good. All right, for the recipe, it's down below in the description. And of course, for everything health, wellness, beauty, style, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.